What's up, YouTube? I thought I just want to do a walk around of my bike, my 2008 Honda CBR600RR. So I got the Two Brothers exhaust, slip-on exhaust over here, and this is actually the special edition black graffiti from 2008. There's not really much special about it though, because it's really just a matte black fairing and with some little decals on them. So I don't. To me, it's not really that special. And personally, I don't even really like the decals that much. But the guy I bought it from gave me a good price on it and took really good care of it. So I went ahead and just grabbed it anyways. Figured I could always just take the decals off if it really bothers me, but it doesn't. So it actually came with stock levers. I replaced them with these. These are the let's see here. These are the CRG RC2 levers. All right, and then turn this on. It actually came with HID's headlights, so that's another plus. Also, it's pretty bright, kind of a bluish color to them. Some other things that I added were, if we zoom in close here, see it. These brake lines. These are Spiegler stainless steel braided brake lines with the red ends and the black line coming down to here. So that's another thing that I added to make it kind of track ready. I actually just came from the track, so that's why the side view mirrors are off right now. Let's turn that back off. Okay, and then on the back I have the Dunlop Sport Max Q3 tires. Yep, these are really good tires, especially for the price. And I just came back from track day, so they're all grimy. But that was my first track day with the tires, so they performed great. Got a lot of good grip out of it, so some good tires. So let me turn it on real quick and show you how that Two Brothers exhaust sounds. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This is just a quick walk around, so hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos.